Social media could have a positive effect as well as a negative effect that could impact how students find possible job opportunities. I had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Wendy Holbrook from Student Services to learn how Greek life impacts the way social media is used on today's campus.
It certainly can be a good thing. You know, during homecoming, I found a lot of old friends, saw all the kids they had. Um, but it's really the responsibility is on the user. And unfortunately, our society is such that a lot of tools get abused. And like in Greek life, when you guys tweet a picture of you all doing community service somewhere, we can pay for that kind of publicity. You know, if you've got 1,000 people following you and they see your whole fraternity out doing something, that is amazing. We need to take more control of it and block those things that we don't need coming into our lives. Only use it for the purposes you want.
I also had an opportunity to speak with Miss Angela Jackson from the Multicultural Services to learn her opinion about how social media is used.
I guess it's going to be it's very influential. And a lot of times it's influential in a negative way. But then there's also positivity as well. But a lot of people tend to take social media to heart. They really should think about what they put out there, especially if you are trying to get into, trying to get that job. It is very powerful. And I think our Greek organizations really need to kind of be cautious of the image that they portray, because they are, they're looked up to by a lot of people who are non-Greek, because our non-Greek population, a lot of them will aspire to be Greek at some point. So the things that our Greek organizations place on social media need to really be a reflection of that organization as a whole, in my opinion, because a lot of people are making their decisions to join various organizations based on what they see.
Social media is taking over today's news and society. Students must learn how to properly use social media as a tool for excelling in possible career opportunities. I'm Malcolm Worsham for News 6.